opening this iPhone 13 Pro, and today it's a new channel called a phone channel, just like all the other phones, Huawei, HTC, Motorola, and more. So stick around to see them all, my videos. Let's open it up and see what's inside.
"2,000 years later."
Let's open it up and see what's inside. Wow! So cool. What? What's this? Where's the screen? Oh, it's here. Wow. How do you power it up?
A few moments later.
Whoa! So it comes with this iPhone, but it hasn't been charged yet. And it has the iPhone charger. Yeah, and they have some cool buttons that you can press on them. And there's a little camera here. See? So cool. Okay, this one is from designed by Apple in California. Yeah, so it's the Apple shop in California. Okay, that's the end of my video today. Make sure I see you for my next channel and videos. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.